In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create GIF animations for Behance. If you want to make your Behance portfolio more engaging and visually appealing, animated GIFs are a great way to showcase motion, design concepts, transitions, or creative presentations in a smooth and professional format. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of creating a simple animated GIF in Canva and uploading it properly to your Behance project. To get started, open Behance and sign into your account. Once you are on your profile page, open the Profile menu and choose the option to create a new project. This will open the Behance Project Editor, where you can organize your images, text, and animations together in one presentation. You can add a temporary project title for now, because the main focus is preparing the editor for the GIF you'll create later. Next, switch over to Canva. Create a new presentation design or set up a custom-sized canvas depending on how you want your GIF to appear inside your Behance project. Once the canvas is ready, upload the images, illustrations, screenshots, or design elements you want to animate. Arrange everything neatly so the final animation looks clean and professional. After placing your content, begin adding motion effects using Canva's animation tools. Simple animations such as fade, slide, or rise usually create the best results because they look smooth and polished without being distracting. You can also adjust the timing of each animated element or page to control how the GIF flows. Short looping animations between 3 and 6 seconds often work best because they load faster and maintain good visual quality. As you continue designing, keep your colors, spacing, and typography consistent. This helps the animation blend naturally with the rest of your Behance project and gives your portfolio a more cohesive appearance. When the animation is finished, click the Share button in the top right corner of Canva and select Download. From the File Type menu, choose GIF. If your project contains multiple pages, decide whether you want to export all of them or only a specific page for the animation. You can also adjust the export size before downloading. Higher resolutions look sharper, but they also increase the file size, so it's important to find a balance between quality and performance. Once the GIF has been downloaded, return to your Behance project editor. Click the Add Image option and select the GIF file from your computer. Behance handles GIFs as image files, which allows the animation to play directly inside the project. After uploading, wait a few moments for the file to process completely. Preview your project to make sure the animation loops smoothly and matches the pacing of your other content. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell.